Hello and welcome to another Nginx series. Today we are going to learn basic Nginx configurations with serving a static website. We will go on step by step how can we serve a static website and use Nginx as a web server. First of all, we have to upload our files, which are HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, into a path where that is slash var www and my web. I have created my web directory inside of my Ubuntu server that we have installed earlier. Now from my Windows machine, I want to copy all my HTML CSS files inside of this path. I have installed WinSCP tools earlier to log into my Ubuntu server and copy all the files inside of my Ubuntu server. Now I am logged into my Ubuntu server. This is the root directory. Let's find slash var slash www. This is the default HTML page that is serving by Nginx by default. After installation, I have created this folder and I will copy all my files inside of this directory. Let's copy them. These are all my files. So we copied all the files successfully. Now you can close. Yes, close. Create a file. Mine is I will create a file my web and also add all these configurations inside. Let's SSH to our Ubuntu server. I'm connected to my Ubuntu server. Sudo systemctl status nginx. Our nginx is active and running. There is no problem. cd slash var slash www slash my web. So these are all the files, HTML, CSS, all the files that we copied here. Now let's create a file inside site dash available, a configuration file that serve and that our Nginx will serve that configuration files. cd slash etc nginx ls-l. We have a directory here site dash available. Inside site dash available we have to create a configuration files. Inside sudo nano my dash web. This is a blank configuration file, so we have to configure a configuration file that and also link this to site dash enable that our Nginx serve this. We have server that is listening on port 80. Also, if you have server name or DNS name that I don't have, you can put here. Right now I don't have it. The root directory is slash var slash www slash my web. The index is index.html. Also we have the location try all my files. If it's not successful, return 404. Save your configuration files. Yes, Control X. Now we have ls-l. Now we have created my file configuration, and now link this to site-enable. How can we link it? ls-s slash etc nginx site dash available. I have a file my web to slash etc slash nginx slash site dot enable. Link this. The link is also successful. We link this. Now check the configuration sudo nginx-t. All the configuration files are successful. We check it. Now reload your Nginx. Sudo system reload my Nginx. Our Nginx is also reloaded successfully. Now let's test. This web page is serving by our Nginx. You can navigate to other pages, events, more pages, drop downs. We have contacts. Today we learned how to serve a static web page by Nginx. Thanks for watching.